Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to tag someone in an Instagram comment. If you are using Instagram and now you want to tag someone, so let's see how you can do this. You just have to open your Instagram app, and here you have to select the post on which you want to tag anyone. As I'm going to select this one, so just select the post, and here just open comment section. In comments you just have to enter the username, but you can easily enter this at icon, and here you will get a pop-up of all of your friends. Here you have to select that which one you want to mention or tag. As I'm going to select this one, so just tap on it, and then you can see it has been mentioned. Now you have to enter the text which you want, and then select this send option, and that's how you can easily mention or tag anyone on an Instagram comment. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.